In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. I welcome you in Pakistan International School Type Virtual Learning System. This is grade 1, third term, and this is mathematics class. And today we will do multiple choice questions because we have finished our course from the book and also counting in numbers, counting in words, and table. So these MCQs, multiple choice question. In short, we say MCQs. Uh, I take from the notes, and these MCQs will come in the exam. This is video number 50. So let us start. Multiple choice questions, MCQ. Multiple choice question mean there is a one statement, and in against one statement there are two or three answers, and one answer is correct and you will choose the correct one. Okay. Number one, 4 multiply 2 mean 4 twos are. So here you can read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So our answer is 8. Okay. So you select 8. Three answers are given A, B, C, but our correct answer is 8, and you underline or circle this one. Number 2, two nines are. Again, read the table of 2, 9 times. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. So look, B option again. First A option is 10, B is 80, C is 11. So B option is correct, 18. Okay. But here I highlight, underline, and also change the color of the answer. But in exam, all answers will be same. Okay. And you have to change, have to choose the answer with the help of the statement. Okay. First you read the statements, and then according to the given statement you can choose the answer. It may be in the questions, it may be multiplication, maybe division, maybe addition, maybe subtraction. Okay. Number 3, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So it's mean our answer is 8. So here option is 8, 6, 10. A option is correct, and that is the 8. 4, 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. So after 9, which number will come? 3, 6, 9. It means this is the uh, table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Mean you can increase 3 points. 3, you can add 3 in 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3. After 9, count 10, 11, 12. Okay. So our answer is 12. Okay. Options are given 10, 8, 12, but you will select option C, that is 12. 5. Question number 5. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means add 3 4 times. You can also say 4 multiply 3, but 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12. Okay. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 7 8 9 plus 3 10 11 12. So our answer is 12. So 9 13 12. So you will choose the option C, that is 12. 6. 8 multiply 3. 8 multiply 3. 8 threes are, read table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 27, 3 eights are 3 sevens are 21, and 3 eights are 24. So over and in the blanks we will write 24. So A option is 24, B is 22, C is nothing. So option B is A is correct, that is 24. In C you can write any number, no problem. 4, 8, 12, 16. So it's mean it's the increment of 4. 4, 8, 15. After 16 count 4 more. 17, 18, 19, 20. So here what come? 20. Okay. So option is A 17, B 20, C 22. So option B is correct. 8. 10 multiply 4. 10 multiply 4. 40. Read table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are, you can read table of 10 here. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40. Okay. So next page, number 9, 5, 10, 15, 20. This is the increment of 5. Also you can, this is the table of 5. So after 20, count more 5, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So here what will come? 25, 21, 25, 19. These three options are given. So our answer is 25, means B option is correct. 10. 7 multiply 5. Again, the table. Read of 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35. So our answer is 35. That is the option A. Again, 8 fives are 5, 7 fives are 35, and after 35, 8 fives are 40. Our answer, B option is correct. That is the 40. 12. 16 divided 2. Yes, this is the division. This is not the multiplication. And here what will you do? Read table of 2 till you continue 16 comes. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. So 16 come when we multiply 2 with 8. It's mean our answer is 8. So choose the C option, that is the 8. 13. 24 divided 3. Again read table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. So 24 comes when we multiply 3 with 8. So again our answer is 8. C option is correct again. Number 14. 15 divided 5. 15 divided 5. Read the table of 5. Very easy. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 15 comes when we multiply 5 with 3. So it's mean our answer is 3. So 3 options are given. 4, 3, 9. So B option is correct. That is 3. 15. 10 divided 5. Very easy. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. So our answer is 2. So A option is correct. That is 2. And 16. 4 divided 4. 4 ones are 4. So our answer is 4. So that is the B option. Okay. So B option is correct because that is 1. Next page. 17. 16 divided dash is equal to 3. Answer is given, and the big first number is given. So you find the second number. And in the division, I told you many times that the first number is there are three number. The first number, the second number, and the answer. The first number is the biggest one. Okay, and second and answer will you can say that these two numbers are the factors of the first number. So again, same. Read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 6 come when we multiply this answer with 3 with 2. So our answer is 2. Okay, we write 2 in the blanks. 18. 20 divided dash is equal to 4. Here we will write the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, and 4 fives are 20. So 20 comes when we multiply 4 with 5. So our answer is 5. Okay, A option is correct. That is the 5. 19. 18 divided 3. 18 divided 3. So read table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18. So our answer is 6. That is C option. 20. 15 divided 50 divided dash is equal to 10. So read table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50. So our answer is 5. That is B option. 21. 30 divided 3. Read table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Our answer is 10. 22. 27 divided 3. 27 divided 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, and 3 nines are 27. So 9 comes when we multiply 3 with, so 27 comes when we multiply 3 with 9. Our answer is 9. That is the B option. Next, 28 divided 4. The table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. So 24, 8 comes when we multiply 4 with 7. So it's mean our answer is 7. That is the C option. 24, 14 divided 2. 1, 4, 14. FOURTWEN 14. So read table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. So what is our answer? 7. That is the B option. Okay. Very easy if you know the table. If you do not know the table, then that is not easy. Difficult. So students, if you still not memorize the table, you have time, you can memorize all the table from 2 to 10. 25, 20 divided 2, read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So what is our answer? 10. That is the A option. 26. 10 divided 8. A read table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80. So B option is correct. That is the 80. 27. Choose the plus sign. There are 4 signs you have deals with 4 signs, that is a plus, minus, multiplication, and division. So here you will choose the plus sign. So that C option is correct. That is the plus sign. This is the plus sign. C option you can see. Choose the minus sign. So, and in here A option is correct. That is the minus sign. This is 10 multiply 10. So read table of 10. 10 times 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Where is 100? A option, that is 100. That is correct. 30, 9 nines are. 9 nines are. Read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, and 9 nines are 81. So what is our answer? 81. That is the B option. 8 tens plus 4 ones. 8 tens mean 80. 8 10 mean 8 multiply 10. So 8 multiply 10, 80, plus 4 ones mean 4 multiply 4, 4. 4 multiply 4, 4 into 4, 4. So 80 plus 4. So 80 plus 4, A option is correct. Okay. 32, 1 tens plus 8 1. 1 tens mean 10 and 8 ones mean 8. 1 10 mean 1 multiply 10, 10. And 8, 1 mean 8 multiply 1, 8. So 10 plus 8, 18. So our answer is 8, 10 plus 8. Okay, boys, understand? I hope you understood. 33. 10, 11, 18, 29, 36, 42, 52. Choose the order. I told you that when you go from bottom to top, I mean from small number to big number like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the ascending order. And when you go down from big to small number, that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that is the descending order. So what is this? This is from bottom to small to big or big to small. From this is the small to big number. So this it means this is the ascending order. 34. The height of an elephant is dash is dash 1 meter, mean less than or greater than or equal to. I also told this one in the video. This is the greater than. Okay, this is the sign of the greater than. The height of an elephant is the greater than 1 meter. 35. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So again, this is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. Our answer is 12. I think this is the repeated, no problem. The height of a nail is at 1 meter, greater than or less than. You know nail? We use nail with the wood. When we make the door, when we make the cupboard, the bed, we use the nail. So height of a nail is dash 1 meter, less than or greater than. Of course, the less than, not greater than. So this is the sign of less than. You can write this sign or less than, not both. You can write less than, it's okay. If you write this sign, it's okay. 37. Choose the odd number. I also told this one, odd number. Odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or a big number which have odd number from the right side, that is also odd number. So you choose here 24, 4 is even, 58, 8 is even, 23, 3 is odd. So 23 is also an odd number. So select the 23. Choose the even. So 41, 1 odd, 19, 9 odd, and 96, 6 even. So 96 also even number. 10 multiply 11. Read table of 10. Ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100, 10 elevens are 110. So our answer is 110. Okay, the C option is correct. Write the missing number to make 70 dash plus 40. So total is given, one number is given. Simply you can subtract the given number from the total. You can find the second number. So 70 minus 45, answer is 25. It means when we add 25 in 45 we can get 70. And now your homework, and memorize all MCQs. These MCQs are very, very important because in exam, these MCQs will come in exam, and I think 25 or 30 MCQs will come from these 40 MCQs. So everybody memorize and all these MCQ, practice one time, two times, three times, and you can then memorize. Okay, boys. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Stay at home and don't go outside. Allah Hafiz.